All right, guys, so today we're going to be talking about a little something called work. Now, your parents work, I work, maybe you even have a job, you work. That's different, right? That's a different kind of work than we talk about in physics. Physics, what we mean by work is taking an object, right, from here and putting that object anywhere else. Outside of where it started. Anywhere else outside of where it started. That's what we mean by work. All right? And it's a very simple formula, right? And we'll get to that for a second. But I want you to understand the concept of work first. I got this book right here, right? This book right now, leaning against here, right? We'll say this is the initial state. I do work to it by putting it up at the top of the whiteboard. All right? There's work that I put into it. There's energy that I put into it. This morning, I had a bowl of cereal. All right? And the bowl of cereal turned into calories. That calories basically turned into energy inside my body. The energy inside my body I use to bring this book from this state right here up to right here. That's called work. All right? Work is force times displacement. It's equal to force delta x, displacement. What do we mean by displacement? Displacement is this. If this is the initial state, all right, we say that this is where the book started. And I go like this, I've applied work to the book. I've moved it some form x from here to here. All right, now let's reset it. The book's back to its initial state. I do this and put it right back to its initial state. I've done no work to the book. All right, if it starts here and it ends there, I've done no work to the book. All right, work is how far you move an object from its initial point. So if I carry this book up a set of stairs, I'm doing work. I'm putting energy into this book by bringing it all the way up the stairs, right? And it relates to our potential energy and our kinetic energy. How does it relate? This book has so much potential energy right now, right? Because the ground is below it. So it's got some potential energy, mgh. Now, I put more energy into it by doing work to it. Now it has an even greater potential energy, right? Which will give us an even greater kinetic energy if we release this. That's the concept of work, excuse me. So we got a couple of questions, a couple of problems to do with this. Try it out. You guys should be good.